Today we're going to tour El Estero Unit C1, a 1-bedroom, 1-bath on the ground floor here at this 10-unit complex known as El Estero. Let's go take a look around. A few highlights about this property. Number 1, spacious veranda overlooking the water. Number 2, the custom woodwork done here within El Estero C1, mahogany cabinets, and also many other custom pieces. And number 3 is going to be the amenities. Here on site, 10 units here in total, so a small complex, but there is a shared pool and also a dock that goes out there into the lagoon. El Estero C1 can be yours for under $170,000 US. Plus, the seller is willing to entertain seller financing. If you would like additional information, be sure to reach out to our team, info@lunarealtybelize.com. You can scan the QR code, or you could look at the listing link in the description below, and in there you'll find additional details all about this property. We look forward to hearing from you and seeing you in paradise. Bye, everyone.